Hello friends, you are watching my travel related channel Explorer Mosam. Today our destination is a weekend tour to Sariska Tiger Reserve, Garwaji Temple and Silisar Lake in Alwar district. Friends, the best time to go there is from October to March. Avoid the summer season and the months of July to September as the gates of Sariska Tiger Reserve are closed. Sariska and Silisar, which is about 200 kilometers from Delhi, can be reached through Gurgaon Manesar Dharwera on the Delhi Jaipur highway and then through the Alwar bypass via Vivadi. The road from Delhi to Alwar is a smooth ride and you will reach 180 kilometers in 3 hours, including the time at the toll booths. The 20-kilometer stretch from Alwar city to Sariska is single and it's patchy and it will take about an hour. If you choose to stay at the RTTC hotel, namely the Sariska Tiger Den, you would be beneficial in two ways. Firstly, it is situated on the Sariska Bhangar main road and easily approachable. Location-wise, it is situated at the doorsteps of the reserve forest main gate. Secondly, the jungle safari starts and ends at the place, which is very near to the hotel. Thus, you are saving time for the safari. It is recommended that you start from Delhi early morning, reach within 3 to 4 hours, check at the hotel and have a timely lunch so that you may get ready for the jungle safari. The Sariska Jungle Safari tours are conducted in open gypsies twice a day. The timings are 7 to 10 in the morning and 2 to 5 in the afternoon. The total cost of booking and other miscellaneous charges add up to Rs 3,500 per vehicle. 4 adults and 2 children are allowed in one vehicle. It is always advisable for the tourist to get ready for the jungle safari at least half an hour before the stipulated time, so as to avoid the rush at the checkpoint of the main gate. It is advisable to keep the water bottles and light snacks for the safari, and please avoid wearing the bright colored clothes. The Tiger Reserve is divided into 5 major zones and it is spread around 800 square kilometers. As per official data, there are 16 tigers and around 25 leopards in Sariska. As soon as you enter the core forest area, you will come across different species of animals, namely sambar, deer, nilgai, staghorn, etc. The major attraction inside the forest is a large lake in the form of wetland. You will find a variety of migratory birds in the winter seasons and numerous wild boars and peacocks in the banks of the lake. If you are lucky enough, you may also have a glimpse of the crocodiles basking in the sun. The 3 hours of the safari will surely enthrall you as you will pass through the tiger corridor or listening the monkey calls and traveling up and down in the small mounds between the dense forest zone. After the jungle ride, just return to the hotel and relax. There is nothing more to do after sunset. The itinerary for the next day are the Garwaji Temple and Silisar Lake Cum Palace. After breakfast and early lunch, drive your car to the rocky cliff area of the Garvaji temple and waterfall. You will surely enjoy a short 1 kilometer trek to the hilly terrains of the Aravali Hills en route to the Garvaji temple. Garvaji waterfall. It can be visible only during the rainy seasons or after heavy rains. Spending half an hour at this offbeat location and a journey to the Garvaji temple will surely be in your memories for a long time. The road from Garvaji temple to Silisere is a beautiful landscape and you will enjoy driving through the green fields and a rusty rural villages. Within half an hour, you will reach the Silisere Palace. Silisere Palace is surrounded by the Silisere Lake on all the three sides. Silisere Lake is one of the largest lakes in Rajasthan. Boating facilities from the palace premises are available throughout the day. The palace is now a RTDC hotel. It has 13 rooms. Spend the afternoon at the Silisere Palace. Enjoy the evening tea and pakoras sitting on the rooftop of the palace. Enjoy the beautiful sunset and then prepare to pack up for your return to Delhi. If everything goes fine, you will reach Delhi around 10 to 11 pm. As an option, if you have an extra day, then it is recommended to stay at the Silisere Palace and have a short trip to Bhangar, which is around 65 kilometers away. The tour to Bhangar will be described by me in my next video. Finally, it's time to say goodbye to you and thanks for watching my video. We will meet again next time in a different location.